Hi, this is Anthony with me, Leah. Have a beard hair trimmer free for review. Let's see what's come in it. I like the case. It's a nice case. It's a hardback case, so that's nice right off the bat. You have your various attachments for length, charging cord. Here's your beard trimmers. You can attach on that. Another charging cord. This is very substantial. Feels like a barber set. Take off the guard piece. It's variable. It's adjustable. So when you're doing your beard, you at least have a 1/4 inch there. All right. Oh, there's a brush in here or a comb. Okay. This is the beard trimmer. That's nice. That's substantial too. You can tell it's going to be very durable, and it has some weight to it. So it's not made of plastic. It's nice. Okay, let's go to the. Okay. What's nice about these is they're rechargeable, both of them, and the charging cords come with them. All right, so we're going to put this head on right here and do a little detailing. Putting on for the hair trimmer, it's longest, 66%. Awesome. So this was really nice. I got it free for review. I love the fact you can tell exactly what the charge is on this. Very easy to use, very easy to clean. These pop on and off, unlike a lot of the other ones. This is adjustable as well. So thumbs up. This is a free for review product from It's Me, Leah.